show you another bad build. Check this one out, boys. This one is nice. What's up there, Davey?
What's up, Larry? Good to see you. Good to be back in the saddle again here at Stereo Installs with another awesome integration setup. This is our buddy Don Mano's Honda Accord that we had to put a 6 stereo in that you took a video of earlier today. But this week he's in for Rydeen's newest, hottest product called the Tombo 360. Gives him pretty much everything you need when it comes to camera setup for the interior of the car and backup camera. So we're going to walk through the awesome features of this system today. It replaces your factory mirror completely with Rydeen's mirror. So this camera here, 360 interior camera.
Check it out. That's a little camera. Point to the nipple.
Right there.
Right there. Check
and you can literally, this is in the 360 mode, so you can literally turn it 360 degrees in this mode. In the bottom right corner here, what we have is the rear camera that we put in the back window of this vehicle. He already has a factory backup camera, so he didn't need a backup camera. You can make this a backup camera / rearview mirror combo, but he already had a factory backup camera. So what we did was we put in the rear view, the rear window. If you tap this brings up the rear view. So when he's driving, this is actually the view he gets out of his mirror, which is a high definition image.
The back.
In the back. And you know, he can actually change the, you know, what angle he wants it to be at when he's viewing it. Give another tap and it goes back to the front. Now, other options you have on this camera, which are sweet, are you can do just front view. So this would be a driving view at all times. Or you keep the 360 view and you can actually view either 2, or you can actually view 2 different angles simultaneously and change them with your finger.
That is so crazy.
Or you can do up to 3, where you could be like, I want to know what was going on here. I want to know what was going on here, and I want to know what was going on here at the same time. All 3 different angles.
That is so crazy.
With the touch of a finger. Then you just hit this, hit that button again, and you're right back to the 360 setup.
You got to think about the inventor. My God, what a crazy, awesome setup.
Now, one other thing that this car did not need, because this vehicle has blind spot monitoring from the factory, but we put this on a 2007 Dodge Magnum a couple weeks ago. These slits on the right and the left side, you can do a blind spot system also too. So for a vehicle that's pre-blind spot in the from the factory, you can add blind spot to it, to where if a car was on your right, this will be a solid orange light here, solid orange left there if the car was on the left, and then if you were actually hit your turn signal and try to get into that lane and the car was there, it'll give you a rapid flash.
Wow.
So it can bring really like any car. Like we're putting this in a 65 Mustang Fastback in a couple weeks. which is going to give like the 65 Mustang not only a 6 stereo we're putting in it, but the technology of a 2022 car when it comes to camera and blind spot monitoring and stuff like that.
Wow. So once again, the company is called
Rydeen.
Rydeen.
We are a direct dealer for them here at Stereo Installs, 7507 Tyler Boulevard, Mentor, Ohio. Come see us. We're Stereo Installs on Facebook, Stereo Installs on Twitter, on Instagram. Just come see us anywhere. You know.
Don't forget YouTube, big
Oh
baby.
yeah, YouTube. Stereo Installs on YouTube also. Our phone number is 440-525-2001. My direct extension is number 1, ask for David, or number 3 is for any kind of technical assistance.
Anything else there, Davey? Because I see you getting a stall on, boy.
I'm just happy that this guy's going to be the happiest customer in the world when he picks it up today.
All right. Well, everybody, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're on YouTube. We're on Facebook. We'll see you later. We love you and have a happy holiday.
You know it.